Hey everyone, it's Adriana. I know it's been a super long time since I vlogged. I was gonna vlog me and Sapphire watching the sunrise at the top of a mountain, but apparently it's closed. I don't know if they open it at a certain time, so our plans are still to continue to climb up it and explore, but we are not able to watch the sunrise at the top, which is fine. So we are going to explore. Yes. Going to walk around for a minute. Yeah. What?
You got a vlog over here. Walk to me with it on.
It is on. It's on.
Look. Random finds. Check it. Check it out.
What the heck? Was that just there?
Yes.
Alrighty then. And deaths. So as y'all can see, we are finally here. It is like 7:05 or something like that. Finally walking it. Yes. Good morning to you too. Weird. Death awaits. We made it. As y'all can see, we made it up. It's just foggy, which we knew that when we signed up for coming today. We just thought we would be able to see out more, but that's okay. It's still pretty. Yeah, it's still pretty. So,
What's up, guys? It's Sapphire. I am making a guest appearance in Adriana's video today. We are still at Hanging Rock, as you can see. Starting to drizzle a little bit, sprinkling on us.
it is.
It's a good time. There's your host. Say hello. She's enjoying this peace, this nature, this greatness.
Okay. had an outfit change, or really Sapphire did. I just changed from leggings to shorts, which I'll probably change back into. I'm going to see a waterfall now. Ooh, I walked a spider web. We're officially done.
Hot.
It's hot.
It's so hot.
So we're about to go get some pizza.
Yeah, pizza's good.